ready to turn your reselling hobby into a profitable online empire. First, choose your platform. Shopify offers robust features but comes with a monthly fee. Etsy is great for vintage or handmade items, with building customer base but less customization, or go custom with platforms like WordPress and WooCommerce for full control, though it requires more technical know-how. Next, snag a catchy domain name that reflects your brand. Use a domain registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap to check availability and register your chosen name. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to spell. Now, it's time for eye-catching product photography. Good lighting is key. Use a clean backdrop and capture your items from multiple angles. High-quality photos are essential for attracting buyers. Stay organized with inventory management. Use a spreadsheet, or better yet, an inventory management system to track your products, quantities, and prices. This helps prevent overselling and keeps your business running smoothly. Set up secure payment processing. Integrate a reliable payment gateway like PayPal, Stripe, or Square to accept payments safely and securely. Make sure to understand their fees and terms. Nail your shipping logistics. Decide on your shipping methods, calculate shipping costs, and choose reliable carriers like USPS, UPS, or FedEx. Invest in packaging materials to protect your products during transit. Finally, market your reselling website. Utilize social media, email marketing, and targeted ads to reach your ideal customers. Offer promotions and discounts to incentivize purchases and grow your online reselling business. Good luck.